What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Goldmindab, and I am back with another video, and I just want to hop right into how disappointed I am of myself. And let me tell you why. Because when I started my hair journey about 4 years ago, there was so many things that girls were trying to do to grow our hair. First there was biotin, then there was hair infinity, and then there was organic grow, hair co, and then the most simplest thing happened to me a couple weeks ago. I learned about the Yao woman and rice water and how they literally have the longest hair in the world. There's a village in China where every girl that you see has hair down to her ankles. Okay, jealous? Yeah. So not only is rice water great for the overall health of your hair, it's also good for anti-aging and acne. No wonder why they look so good. So I've done my own research, and I can confidently say this, that I am sure that I have the recipe, the right recipe to making the rice water. I will drop down every article I've read, every YouTube video that I've watched, and you know what I've noticed? A lot of YouTubers have been doing it wrong, and I'm gonna let you know. So if you're interested, which I'm pretty sure you are if you made it this far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to grow your hair. Hey, I hope this works. I hope this works. All right, guys, let's go. All right, let's go. Okay, so you're gonna need a grapefruit, some filtered water. If you don't have filtered water, use spring water. Use any type of essential oil. A lot of people use lavender, but I found vanilla instead. Then you're gonna need a fresh bowl. Make sure it's clean. Okay, now we're gonna be using white rice. Sticky rice is the best rice. Then a cutting board. You're also going to need a clean pan to boil your water in. All right, guys, let's get started. So when I started to watch these tutorials on how to make rice water, I seen a lot of YouTubers using white rice, but they wouldn't say what type of white rice they were using. So when I watched these documentaries about the Yao woman, they said that using sticky white rice works the best. So you want to clean your white rice for about 5 minutes. All right, you all. So I know that a lot of YouTube videos that you watched about rice water, they were using oranges to freshen or to add a citrus smell to their rice water. But the Yao woman actually used a fruit that was called pomelo. And unfortunately, we do not have that fruit in the States. So the closest thing to a pomelo ancestor is a grapefruit. So, like I said, I did a lot of research and I wanted to use the closest ingredients as possible to get the results that I was looking for. So, do not use an orange like everyone else is using. Make sure you use a grapefruit because it is the closest fruit that the Yao women were using. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my clean bowl and I am going to put all of my grapefruit pills inside of this. And then I'm gonna pour in my rice water. with the rice. And I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna strain everything into this pot. And then I am going to boil the rice water. Now, a lot of YouTubers do not do this, but this is required from the Yao woman to boil your rice water. Then I am going to grab a mason jar. I forgot what they call these jars, but I like these better because you can actually lock in the moisture and it's perfect. And then I'm adding my essential oils. And after I do that, I'm going to put it into a dark, dry place. All right, you all, so I have to wait a week in order for me to even start off by using the rice water and starting my experiment. I'm actually really excited, you know? One thing I can say about me using the rice water, I feel like I could have let it sit a little longer, but we'll see. I'm gonna make a second patch, and I'm gonna actually, that second patch I'm gonna wait for, like, set it aside for a whole month. So yeah, so next week I'm gonna definitely show you guys how to prep your hair and how to use it, or how I use it. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe and press that notification bell so you can get my next video, okay? All right, guys, Gold Minds, y'all be easy. See y'all next time.